I have the best position ever. The way that I would describe it is, I get our customers to adopt electric vehicles, and they get the benefit of driving an electric vehicle, and we get the benefit of figuring out how we can help them deliver value to the grid with their vehicles. The people are the best. You know, the work is cool too, but the people are what make the work not work. It's got about 70 miles of range on a battery, and then, 20 miles of range on conventional fuel. The main mode is a battery as opposed to the conventional fuel. Some cafes, restaurants, they're installing charging stations as like an amenity for their customers. And other businesses, such as office businesses, are installing them for their employees or maybe even the customers that come to them. And then multifamily dwellings, which is really an interesting use case for electrification, they're installing them because they're seeing their residents purchase electric vehicles and they need to find a way to provide charging for them. We're here to help, and we're here to meet you where you are, and we provide them with actionable information wherever they are on their electrification journey, right? Like if they don't know anything, we talk about some really basic stuff. If they're really into like, how is this going to impact my bill? We're also able to help them with that and giving them like bill samples for the additional load that they're going to see with the EVs. And then we even sometimes help them figure out like how they're going to price the charging sessions. Thanks for having me.